So other than low carb and fasting, the best thing that you can give your brain is exercise. Walang amount ng supplement ang makakatumbas sa benefits na ibibigay sa inyo ng exercise for brain health. Alam na natin yung effect ng low carb po, it lessens the inflammatory load, it lessens yung hyperinsulinism, which contributes doon sa ating memory losses. Yung mga Alzheimer's, mga problema sa ating memory, these are all from the hyperinsulin state. So sa fasting natin, sa low carb natin, a-address na yon. Pero kung gusto talaga natin, even more ma-activate yung ating mga longevity pathway. So longevity, pampahaba ng buhay, hindi lang mahaba, kundi functional ka, you really have to increase exercise kasi the exercise will address all those different pathways. Meron pong 4 major pathways sa longevity. Yun po lahat ay may magandang epekto ang exercise dyan. The thing is, wala pang supplement na makakahit nung 4 na pathways na yun. Meron man mangilan-ngilan na lumalabas ngayon sa research, for example, rapamycin. Rapamycin is not really a supplement. It's a medication that is used to target itong ang longevity. Pero isa lang yung kanyang maapektuhan, mTOR lang. What about the other pathways? We have different pathways to activate yung proper aging, yung good aging na tinatawag. The things really that will impact those 4 very important pathways are hindi by supplements but actually by low carb, fasting, and exercise.